So guys, this is the part 2, and this is how you eat it. You can do like this.
And you can do this.
Yeah, you can push it like this.
It's so hard to eat this. I use a tissue because it's so
Yeah, guys.
slide.
We tried the Filipino chip and we put a yogurt stick on it. No, it's so disgusting. This is a Filipino candy also. Because we're Filipino, guys.
Yes, of course.
She can literally speak a bunch of English. It's so yummy, guys. Like, for real. We had a bunch of these.
I'm done. I will eat this.
Done. Mallows. How to open this?
Yung pang chips
Tingin
na.
mo.
Yung chips pa.
We're not speaking gibberish. We're speaking Tagalog. Like, do you guys know how to speak Bisaya? Ate? Wait lang, tingnan natin kung pantay. This is how it looks like.
Okay, let's
Cheers.
eat.
Ay, ulit. Ay,
So funny. How to eat. If you want to play. First we eat this way.
Ganito ko, oh. Paano kasi siya pag ganito?
Akin ganito.